इंडिया डोनर रक्तदान कीजिए जीव।
हमारे देश में अस्पताल में भर्ती हर 10 व्यक्तियों में से एक को रक्त की आवश्यकता है। इस हिसाब से हमें हर दिन 38,000 रक्तदाताओं की आवश्यकता है। इसका मतलब हर 2 सेकंड में किसी, चाहे गर्मियां हो या फिर सर्दियां, रक्त की काफी कमी रहती है। केवल 5% लोग
रक्तदान नहीं जीवन दान हो, रक्तदान नहीं जीवन दान हो।
इंडिया डोनर रक्तदान कीजिए जीव।
में अस्पताल में भर्ती हर 10 व्यक्तियों में से एक को रक्त की आवश्यकता है। इस हिसाब से हमें हर दिन 38,000 रक्तदाताओं की आवश्यकता है। इसका मतलब हर 2 सेकंड में किसी, चाहे गर्मियां हो या फिर सर्दियां, रक्त की काफी कमी रहती।
इंडिया डोनर रक्तदान कीजिए जीव। इंडिया डोनर रक्तदान कीजिए जीव।
Blood has always been the most crucial component of life. Blood is a lifesaver. There is no substitute of blood, but we have failed to realize its importance. Here are a few facts to look upon. 450 ml of blood can save as many as 3 lives. Every 2 seconds, someone in India needs blood. 1 out of every 3 of us will need blood in our lifetime. Why do we run short of blood in the high time of need? The truth is very disturbing. Only 4% of the eligible population in India donates blood. 75% of donors donate only once per year. Even though there is no replacement for blood, there remains some distrust among people regarding blood donation. The major reasons are the assumption that donating blood will lead to weakness or health issues, fear of usage of contaminated needles, and most people who have never donated have never been asked. Of both donor and receiver is also ensured through strict donor screening before donation. Blood is then accepted from eligible donor. The quantity of blood to be taken is decided according to the weight of the donors. The donated blood is then tested for transfusion transmissible infections like HIV-1, HIV-2, hepatitis B, hepatitis C and malaria. The blood tests positive. The complete blood is rejected. Only safe blood is forwarded for transfusion after typing and cross-matching. So blood donation is safe and easy. Busting myths with facts. A person can donate blood every 90 days, which is 3 months. Our body recovers the blood very quickly. Above all, there are many benefits of blood donation. For instance, it lowers cholesterol, lowers lipid levels, decreases the chances of heart attacks and strokes. Let's donate blood, let's contribute to life.
इंडिया डोनर, रक्तदान कीजिए, जीव
रक्तदान नै जीवनदान हो। रक्तदान नै जीवनदान हो।